Yo, what's up, chat? How's it going? How are you? Got some exciting stuff today. All right, who's ready? Because I'm certainly ready to explain to you guys what's going on in this stream. Why is the stream title this? What are we doing today? Well, the plan is simple. The plan is quite simple indeed. Oscar does programming. Thank you for the tier 1. So, a couple days ago, Mizkif made a announcement on his stream, kind of thing. He was talking with Cutie Cinderella, and he said that he would give he was basically placing a bounty of $20,000 on someone who could make a version of Tinder targeted towards Twitch viewers. And me, obviously, liking money as I do, I contacted one of his moderators. Kababik was taken to give the prime. Contacted one of his moderators. His mod said that Mizkif was, of course, since it's like, $20,000, Mizkif isn't just gonna like hire a random person. He was thinking about buying a pre-existing company who already is like making a dating app clone and modifying that. But likely, if I can find the right people to work on it, which I'm not necessarily looking for in chat right now, then I will be the lead of the team who is creating this app officially. Now, coincidentally, I've been for the last couple of weeks, I had a thing open on my stream where I was accepting resumes for developers and for designers. And so now I have a bunch of resumes from those people. So yeah, that's why I'm not necessarily looking for more people, because I already have several promising people in mind. I sent a couple of emails out. I sent emails out to like only 5. I sent 5 emails out to people out of the like 30 or so resumes I got. And 2 of them are interested potentially. But it's still a thing we got to figure out. Like, there's a couple of big questions. Let me start writing these down. Big question. That's a bad N. The number one big question is this. Hey, what? Oh, there we go. This is the number one big question. Do we want to build a website that looks and functions like a mobile app? Or do we want to build an actual mobile app? That's the biggest question of them all. Because number one, well, you can see the pros and cons. I wrote this down. This is what we're going to ask Mizkif. Number one, easier to make. Especially for me, I have slightly less experience with mobile apps than I do have with web apps. Number two, a mobile app being like actually on the App Store feels more legitimate, but is also harder to code, and Apple is kind of cringe. So we have yet to see which one. I'm not asking you guys, chat. I'm not asking you guys. I'm asking Mizkif later today when I have a meeting with him. So because we don't know which of these is the option yet, I can't really get started with coding. Although I do have some plans around the technology stack that I'm going to be using, which are semi-fluid. But yeah. Flutter fits under this portion. Build an actual mobile app. Flutter and React Native are both here. This is React Web. This is React Native, basically. So this is the big question. And the answer to that is as yet unknown. But we can still start thinking about what the app is going to look like. Justin Kolnick, I am probably not interested in collaborating with you unless you are fitting the exact tech stack I have in mind, because I've already reached out to a lot of people who do have that tech stack in mind, who have experience with that. Can't you start with the back end? Well, the back end can shift based on whether or not we're building a web app as well. So yeah, what is this app going to look like? I've written down some concepts, but let's just go through what a dating app needs. It needs a sign up / sign in page of some kind. What the fuck is this chemming? Sign up page. See, I've never actually used Tinder, so I don't know what the app looks like. But I assume there is some kind of DM area. And then some kind of like match area for like finding new matches. Is there anything big that I'm missing here? I guess profile editing. Anything I'm missing, chat? Speak up. Speak up now. What the fuck are you talking about? Super likes? That's not what that's not what I'm talking about at all. I'm talking about the user interface. Settings, that would be part of the profile editor, I would say. Area where you list your favorite streamers is also part of the profile editor, obviously. So of these 4 areas, sign up we need OAuth. We need some verification. DM area, we need like a list DMs. And then send messages. No tiffs. The match area. So this is like where you have like the cards that you swipe back and forth, right? Now, I know that there are a lot of dating apps out there. Does anyone know what else could potentially go here? Because I don't necessarily want... It shouldn't necessarily be like a one-to-one Tinder thing. God, everything that's related to preferences and all that shit is obviously in the profile editor. God damn it. Gluton, thank you for the 60 months of Prime. Are you talking about what to show in the match area? Well, I'm talking about, like, do we want to have, like, cards that you swipe back and forth? Or do we want, like, other things here? What do we want? We just want to show their faces. And then some text. And this needs backing it. It needs an algorithm. It needs an algorithm for both generating potential matches and for detecting if two people... Well, I guess if two people swipe the same direction on each other, then they are a match. There's nothing else that needs to be done after that. So really just what we need is a way to generate, based on the database of users, all potential matches that could be made between them. The profile editor. So this will contain a significant amount of things. I don't necessarily want to build all of those out now. I don't think I'm the best person to come up with this list. So of these 4 things, what takeaways do we have? Big coding parts. What coding parts do we have here out of these 4 things? We have OAuth, or I'll just call this authentication. We have live messaging system. We have matchmaking algorithm, and we have I guess verification is a big one. And this is in addition to all of the user interface stuff, but I already found a designer who hopefully is good enough to build that out. And then there is one part that we're missing from here, which Mizkif discussed, which is some kind of administrative system. An administrative system for moderators to manage verification, reporting, all that shit. It's a competition? No, it's not a competition. Mizkif is going to hire a team. I guess it's kind of a competition at this point, but it's not like people are going to be working on it simultaneously. So on the admin, what do we need? We need to be able to see incoming users. We need to be able to verify users. Check reports. We should be able to see. We should be able to manage the gender distribution. And this is something that Mizkif touched on. Which is and this is something I've also done some extra brainstorming on. There is most of the signups to this app will follow the trend of Twitch, which is that most Twitch chatters are male. So most signups will be male Twitch viewers. But we want there to be a manageable distribution of all of the other marginalized genders on Twitch. So what I'm thinking is that when you sign up and verify, once you're verified, you're added to a waiting list kind of thing, like a second waiting list after you're done with verification, which will not only help like build exclusivity and like hype around getting invited in, but also make it possible to manage this gender distribution. And there's other things that we should be doing to encourage non-men to use the app, which is basically we should try to be solving all of the issues that plague people with current social medias. And I have a couple things in mind. We need like a really good report system, like a report system that actually works. We need some kind of middleware that handles that looks at images sent and possibly even text messages sent with artificial intelligence and flags them for questionable content. Is this way more than 20K of work? You think so? I don't think so. Like, say it takes me 2 weeks of streaming for 6 hours. So, like 10 days, 6 hours per day. And say I have a team of 4 people. So, 10 days times 6 hours per day. 60 hours total. 20,000 divided by 4 is $5,000. Divide by 60. It's $83 an hour. That's not bad. That's very good, in fact. Yeah, so I was talking about report system. AI analysis, which is, I looked into this a bit. Google Cloud Vision API exists for which can identify, adult content, and flag that, and then like have a warning before they click it, and then also flag it, in the system. And then GPT-3 can do a really good job of analyzing text messages. And since everyone's going to be logged in with their Twitch account, we can also, if they get reported and they're like fucking insane, we can just ban them from all the chats. cross plat ban. So, of these things, what do we have going for us? We have a mobile app that we have to build, either as a mobile app or as a progressive web app. We have an admin panel to build that is going to be as a desktop web app, probably mobile responsive as well. We have a backend to build with these 4 parts highlighted already, and probably more in the works. We need DevOps, although I'm pretty confident in my DevOps skills after working on the r/place. This is definitely a lot simpler. Like, this is just a single load balanced application, most likely. You like that I'm taking safety seriously? Thank you, Ed Fungus. Holy shit, how many fucking Twitch staff have been in my chat over the last 3 days? It's at least like 6 different people. The one thing I am semi worried about, or that I don't know how it's gonna work yet, is the live messaging system. That's probably gonna be over WebSocket, right? I mean, there's not much you can do there that's not over WebSocket, especially if it's a progressive web app. I hate Socket.io with a burning passion. There are third-party messaging services that exist, which are probably more expensive. But like, you know, would simplify it a lot. Doesn't Firebase do messaging? I think you're talking about notifications. Exactly, Jonah Fox. You don't need Socket.io on top of your WebSockets. You just need to do WebSockets. Yeah, and yeah, I've definitely thought a lot about what chat will look like. Obviously, we're going to integrate global BTTV, Twitch, probably not Twitch because of legal issues. Global BTTV emotes, FFZ. Maybe there's going to be something where, like, if both people are subscribed to the same streamer, it adds their emotes. Maybe the streamer has to opt in for that to work. If you're going to work with React, Stream Chat is a viable option. Stream Chat. A chat script written in PHP. You've got to be kidding me. This? Ah, yes. So this is what I was talking about as like chat as a service. So 10,000 monthly active users for $499 a month. That's pretty expensive. Yeah, probably not the best thing. What about app monetization? That can come later. That doesn't need to be in the MVP. What's wrong with making your own chat service? Absolutely nothing. That's probably what's going to happen. So I guess the one thing that is kind of static as of now is the admin panel. We know that the admin panel is going to be a web app. We know what it needs to do. We know that we'll be using a single database. Between the two things, so we could write the database for this and then expand. I'm thinking SQL. SQL, planet scale. Cheap and easy. Thoughts on Mongo? Haven't used it for years. Don't like it as much as SQL, necessarily. But I guess if you have a ORM in front of it, doesn't matter that much. Also, some of these backend bits are doable without knowing whether the app is a mobile app and a web app. Authentication is not. Live messaging system is not. But the algorithm for matchmaking and the verification system, which kind of builds into the admin panel, both are. So, okay, yeah, 2 songs. Same in the row. Cool. Let's listen to this instead. Yeah, so I could technically start building the admin panel today. I do want to wait until I've talked with Mizkif, which I think is going to be later to... Wait, what the fuck is this guy's time zone? He said later tonight at 6 a.m. So, who knows? The thing I was gonna do... No. He said this at 6 a.m. He said later tonight, and he said this at 6 a.m. What was I gonna do just now? It was on LA time. LA time is my time. Thoughts on using stable marriage algorithm? I've not heard of stable marriage algorithm. That does sound interesting. Huh. I I don't know if this is useful for dating apps. You could build a hybrid app using something like Ionic. What is Ionic? Oh, okay. I thought I said Angular for a second. I mean, this is just React Native, right? Oh, versus React Native. This does seem very interesting. Let me actually take a look at an example project that uses this. It's exporting a shit ton of things. Huh. I don't know. I mean, this seems fine, maybe. Depends on what's compatible with it. Like, if TRPC is compatible, probably. Probably looks good. I mean, we got a plan here. I just gotta. Well, actually, let me respond to any emails that I've gotten. Okay, this guy looks pretty sick. I got 2 responses back. So I sent an email to 5 people. And I said, oh, wait, I just got a 3rd. Yo, Jonathan, thanks for becoming a Patreon supporter. Let's see, what's this guy's resume look like? Oh, this one. Okay, so I have 3 potential people. I probably only need one of them. Damn, I could really get started with the admin today, chat. Yeah, but I said I wasn't gonna do that until Mizkif responded to me. Let me hit up. You'd recommend to only allow U.S. citizens. Maybe. Oh. I'll see. We'll see. There are things that handle GDPR for you, though, so not worried about that as of yet. You're absolutely wrong that nothing can handle GDPR for you. I'm not talking about cookies. I'm talking about GDPR. If there are no companies that exist that you can hire to handle GDPR, then I would be incredibly surprised. I don't think you understand what I'm saying, guys. I'm not saying I don't have to worry about GDPR. I'm just saying that implementing its requirements is not going to be as hard as you are trying to say. Look at the sky. Hmm. I wonder what I should be doing right now. Authentication would be an easy start. No, not really, because I need to know what type of app we're making first. And I don't want to really like dig into the code that much until I know that we're going to be the ones working on this. That Mizkif is choosing my team. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful M. Research and work on the matchmaking algorithms. I could. That's one thing. The admin panel is another thing. Why is the type of application important for authentication? Because the authentication is integrated directly into the app. If it's web, we can easily just go with simple OAuth. If it's mobile, we have to get a bit more fancy with it. And the other option is I could work on my r/place clone. Oh my god, has this been running overnight? Where did I just put those pixels? Oh, there. Yeah, it has. Cool. Yeah, chat, we were working on the admin where I get to update the canvas size at will for this. And disable the whole ass canvas. So that's something we could work on right now. I'm just waiting on a couple different people to get back to me. So. Anyone object to me working on this for a bit? No, my design is completely original. Did not take anything from that article, and it can handle 20 times as much traffic at peak or something. No, more than that. Wait. Okay, we handled 2,000 pixels per. Was it? We handled 10,000 pixels per second on one instance, and they could handle. They have 333 pixels per second at peak. So if we have 10 instances, then mine would be 300 times faster than Reddit's. I think this part's going to be really interesting because we're going to basically be building like this is the cool behind the scenes part that no one's going to be able to see but me. The ability to change the color palette, resize the canvas, update all this stuff. It's going to be quite interesting. All right, so what we need to do for this is we have one main backend that handles storing the canvas and all that. And we need this one main backend to be able to store the width and height of the canvas as well. Currently, we just have the width and height static, never changing. But luckily, on the front end, I did code it so that I can basically, if I can tell the front end how big the canvas is going to be. But I can't tell the WebSocket servers how big the canvas is going to be. So I guess what I need here, this is the backend, and here I have the big canvas object that stores all the pixels, very aptly labeled. Instead of this being just the pixels, this should be like all of the synced data. So I actually put that in here. So we're going to make a struct which is going to be like shared global data or something. I guess that works. And then canvas is a vec of U8s. We would have width in here as a U16 and height as a U16 and colors as a vector of colors. Fuck, I need to implement a serializer and a deserializer now for this. God damn it. The MOTD. Enabled, and the placement cooldown. Okay, so we already serialized pixels, so let's just, I guess, copy paste this. This is actually really simple. This is actually really simple. Instead of X, Y, and color, we just do RGB. Yeah, that was actually super simple because I already did this before for pixels. So, why can I not click this without, there we go. Placement cooldown. Oh yeah, placement cooldown, of course. So this is the shared global data, and I think I might want to handle canvas outside of this. Do I mean, this isn't super expensive to transfer. Canvas is $1 million bytes, which is a megabyte. So that is a lot of data if we need to transfer this every tick. So I kind of want to make all of these things optional. Because I'm going to be sending this across, and I don't want to send everything at once. So we need a new function. And we'll call this update global data. And we'll pass in data, which is a shared global data. And we'll return nothing, I guess. Now we need to implement this. Async function update global data. Cool. So we have this. Now I'm using TarPC. Does TarPC have a way for the clients to subscribe to the servers? I mean, technically it's a challenge anyone can participate in, but realistically, Mizkif is going to choose a specific team to do it, which is maybe me and maybe someone else, depending on how the call goes later today. And you'll have a very small chance of anything else. What time is 9 CST? 7. Oh, so this would be 7 in the afternoon. Okay. Not using twerp? I'm not using twerp, though. I mean, there has to be a way somewhere. Tailwind CSS to Rust? What is this? I should go to the GitHub. That's probably going to be where I find anything. Subscribe. Oh, the PubSubs example. There's a PubSub example. Wait, hold up. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Where's the PubSub? Okay, so subscriber connects, sends topics. I don't really understand what's going on here. Is this a publisher thing? What is this publisher thing? This is a crate. Okay, never mind. Oh, this is a TARPC service. Wait, I don't... It makes two services? Are these running on different ports? I'd have to edit my deployment stuff. The PubSub server sets up TCP listeners on 2 ports. Wait, okay, no, this doesn't need to be 2 ports, it seems. Basically, I want every client to be both a subscriber and a publisher. I don't know if that's possible with this. I'm gonna try and read what's happening here. Here's the main. Okay, so it keeps a map of subscriptions. These are subscribers connecting, and they specify their topics. Publisher client dot spawn. I mean, this seems interesting enough. My question is, how do these subscribers get things sent to them? So let's look at the subscriber code. Async phone. Oh. Receive. Wait, God damn it, I don't actually understand what's going on here. Because this is like, this has the client code and the server code in the same bit here. Oh, is there another example that's more readable? No. Okay. I have this TARPC service called Backend, which exists on both. What does this % mean? Oh, this must be a custom logging thing. Yeah. this has two TARPC services. And then it has a TARPC server, which I have implemented here. Subscriber. So this just takes the topics and returns the topics? No, this gets the current topics. So each subscriber holds their topics and their address. And then this receive function doesn't even do anything. It just prints this out. And then the subscriber, this is Impulse subscriber. Impulse subscriber, that's the server still, right? Yeah, that's the server still. Connect. So when you connect as a subscriber, is this run on the client side or the server side? It's so hard to understand this shit. You subscribe to a publisher. I'm just trying to figure out how... I don't want a pub sub. All I want is I want to be able to send messages back to the client that's connected to the server. So everyone's a subscriber, and the server acts as the publisher, basically. Anyhow, looks pretty cool. What is this init topics? Oh, it's okay. So it's handler.next, which is a server-based channel with defaults. .requests. So this is like an iterator through the server. I mean, if I look at this code here, I have the same execute thing. Init topics.execute subscriber.clone.serve. Okay. I think it's sending me a TCP address. And then I'm initializing a connection back to it here. Is this what I want to do? I would need to make another service. That's what I would need to do for this. Which I don't really want to do. So I guess I could just pull for it then. Or I could... No. No, Aiden, I already have all of the stuff coded. I just need something... I wonder if I can hook into my existing system. How it works right now is that each of the connected WebSocket servers, which are also RPC clients, send a batch of all the updated pixels. Oh no. Attempt to multiply with overflow. Where was this called from? Uh-oh. I wonder if this is just like disconnected for long enough and it crashes. I guess I could include any canvas updates as part of this pixel batch because I'm already making basically polls to the back end for it. Yeah, that's probably the smartest thing. So in the service here, set canvas delta, I wouldn't only get a canvas delta of pixels, but I would also get a global data update object. Oh, fuck me. So tired. So we'll have delta response. Or maybe we just call this like poll response. And this has the delta here. And then data. Data there. This is going to add so much complexity. All right, so this delta receiver is going to be not this, but it's going to be a poll response, I guess. And does that clean everything up? I can't clone poll response. Well, I can... There's something weird in here. Maybe it's because of the colors? No, it can't be. Expected result, canvas delta, backend error. Found result, poll response. Wait, but didn't I just change this? Wait, I just have to rerun it? Oh, there's an issue. There's an issue here. Backend won't compile. Expected... fuck. Expected enum result canvas delta pixel backend error. Found enum result pull response. Where's this canvas delta pixel coming from? Oh, fuck. It's because I kept it in here. That should fix that. Yeah, that fixes that. Okay, cool. Now there are a lot more errors popping up. Because delta responder, delta merger, this needs to be a pull response. Okay, that's simple enough. But now here... Actually, we can make this... Yeah, let's just do this for now. It's private. Don't know what's good for me. I think that actually... Does the backend compile now? I think the backend should compile. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. I want now to... Well, there's two things I need to do. Right here, I need to have... I mean, I have this... I have this delta requester, but... Oh, this is like the same anti-pattern that I had on the front end that didn't work. I don't think it's going to cause an issue here, but who knows. This delta requester, I need another receiver that receives shared... I need like a shared global requester, which is a receiver of shared global data. And then we'll have let mut global data update equals none. And then global data equals global shared global requester dot receive async. And then if let okay global data equals global data global data update equals some global data. And then here I can just put this in here. and in here. But then I also have to do yeah, I see. I need to move this out so I can then just do global data update equals none. Yeah. Smart one, Rust. You caught me there. Okay, so that should work. Now I need to go to main and I need to create this global data shared global sender, shared global requester. Put that in there. Put this in here. There's that. Okay, and now we have this, and then we just do self.shared global sender dot send async data dot await. And then we just okay here. Then we return a result backend error. And then we go to our service. Almost done with this chat. Result backend error. Cool. Why is this angry? Oh. Pub. All right, cool. That now works. Now the last thing I have to do is this. All right, I'm gonna take a quick piss and think about this. This is actually, it's gonna be, I mean, I think I can do it. It's just gonna be annoying and it's gonna make my code a bit messier. All right. This is super annoying that I have to do this. Oh God. Okay. Pixel sender, pixel receiver, delta sender. Serialized canvas. So I have this RW lock that stores the entire serialized canvas, which is just sent directly. Um. Okay, and then I also want like a little something called like serialized canvas. Serialized canvas? This includes colors and enabled in it. So this needs access to the global data. And, well, I was going to say I don't want to have to reserialize this whenever the global data gets updated, but it's not going to be updated that much. It's only going to be updated when I update it. And I'm not going to be resizing the canvas willy-nilly. So when we have this initial serialized canvas, when is serialized canvas written to is the question. Right here, after we get the full canvas with retry. But this get full canvas with retry. Oh my god, I don't want to be doing this right now, chat. I literally just want to be asleep, I guess, right now. Gotta push through this. Just gotta push through this bit. So this get full canvas needs to also return. No, this just needs to return shared global data. Because shared global data includes the canvas. Wait a second. I've been going about this all wrong. I don't need this global data to be managed on a separate thread. It doesn't need to be merged between clients. It does need to be merged between clients. Never mind. Fuck me. Thought it was going to be easy for a second. Guess not. Although I guess it should be just a just be an RW lock. I want to do like shared global data dot merge data. I know this function doesn't exist. Let's define it. God, you guys scroll up in chat. You don't have to spam the today command. It's literally right there. That's literally false, Unreckle. Literally incorrect. Can only mods see previous messages? I don't think that's true. I think anyone can. Pretty sure anyone can. Check. Maybe it is just mods. Oh, that's cool. Justin Kolnick, thank you for the tier 1 sub. Oh, it's whoever added today. Oh, it's Dadge's fault. He added today to the title. That's why everyone's spamming it. Okay. We're going to change this up then. Shared global data is not going to have all these options in it. But there's going to be partial shared global data. Which all has all of these as options. Yeah, now I just need to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. When somebody solemnly finds the warmth of summer songs you like, maybe it's a gift that I can recognize. All right, so here's our shared global data. We don't want this shared global request. Oh, do we want this? I think we might. Oh yeah, I don't need this sender. I don't need this because it's gonna be just. This is just gonna be a RW lock. Star Jumper 15, thank you for the Prime sub. Yo, chat. We have 288 subscribers right now. If you know your math, that's 12 subscribers away from 300, which is a nice little milestone benchmark. So if anyone else has their Prime sub available, then please use it now. If you so wish. Goblin Sean, thank you for the Prime. Look at the sky, I'm still here. I'll be alive next year. I wanna come to your metro. Why are you coding in Rust? What an awful question. You could just look up advantages of Rust or ask chat. Why is he coding in Rust? So many things that are less disruptive to the stream. think you're just curious. I know, but you know, so many people ask me the same questions. It's so frustrating. You guys wouldn't understand because you don't have to keep up with chat. Being so annoying. Okay, what's wrong now? Oh, it's not dereffing. Okay, is the backend compile now? And does it do what I want it to do? I think it does. No, it almost does. It almost does. The one thing that's missing is actually putting in the shared global data here. So I don't want to. I want this poll response to have partial shared global data in it. But I only have the full thing. I don't. So how do we construct a thing here? Only some of these are going to actually receive this update global data thing. All of them can access it though. But I only want to... Okay, I guess this is over RPC. So there's not too much of a worry about just sending everything. I don't want to send the canvas, though. I don't want to send the full canvas. So we're just going to make a pub fun without canvas. Which returns partial shared global data. Oh, that's useful. Okay. Now in the server, I want to do let shared global data equals shared dot read dot await, and then this dot without canvas. Oh, sum. All right. I think this is good enough for what I need. I do now on the WebSocket end. I am storing the serialized canvas. Do I want to store some serialized shared global data instead? Yes, I do, but I also want to no, do I am right? Do you are wrong, Commander Yan. I was gonna say, so I need to send when a client connects, it needs to receive all of this shared global data. But it also needs to broadcast as part of the deltas, right? As part of the deltas, we need to have anything that needs to be sent. Any of the oh fuck. Shit. I can't just do without canvas here because someone needs to know what the differences are. And it's probably not going to be this. Unless I handle the diffs on all of the clients. Do I calculate it here or do I calculate it somewhere else? If I calculate it here, well, okay, so I could calculate it here maybe, because here's where I'm merging it. So I would have this merge, and then I would somehow store like the latest delta. Like if I returned, well, actually, I could just store the date. I don't need to return from merge. I could just store the latest delta here. But then I would need another arc RW lock, and then that would have the latest shared global data update. And then, yeah, but then right here, yeah, Commander Yen, it's not a problem. It literally is compiled. It's a single comma is not going to fuck stuff up. And if it does, I don't need you to point it out because I'll instantly notice it. But thank you for helping. God, what was I saying? What day is it? Oh, it's Sunday. Yeah, fucking Sunday. I need to make sure I only send it once, though. I don't miss the feeling anymore. I don't. Okay, here's the thing. I can send the thing to the clients multiple times. In fact, no. Yeah, I think maybe the diffing is best done on the clients. And by clients, I mean WebSockets. Yeah, let's do that. Chat, there's 464 people here. Every day, we have 464. We divide this by 30. Every day, 15 people have their Prime sub renewed. So, if that's you, chat, and I know it's you, I'm talking to you. Right now, I'm talking to you. Yes, you in particular. Your Prime sub literally renewed today. You haven't checked it yet. It's available, and you can use it on me right now. And I have 290 subscribers, so you could be the 300th subscriber to my channel if you time it right. So I'm just saying, you literally have a Prime right now. It renewed today. And if we add in yesterday, well, that's twice as many. That's 30 people, 31 people who have a Prime sub available. So just tab in, give it a quick check, tab back out. You don't, though? That's fine. It's only going to be a couple people in the chat. But probability-wise, there should be a pretty big chunk. Captain Enya, thank you for the Prime. I appreciate checking for me. No Prime yet? That's fine, Mr. Hip. Thanks for the 2 months of tier 1, though. This is interesting. So I guess what I want to do here is I want to also pass... I want to pass the canvas delta.data here. This function should accept data partial shared global data. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, because this has data.colors. Well, I guess this whole thing should just be partial shared global data because the canvas is included in that. Well, no, it should just be shared global data. Data.height, data.width, data.enabled. What is, some data.motd, some data.placement cooldown, and now Stranger45x, thank you for the Prime sub. What am I missing from this? MOTD enabled colors with... Oh, that's everything. This is the default shared global data. Can I store that in my constants? No. I cannot. That's fine. We'll just put this here and then we'll copy this across to here. All right, we got that. Inside my constants, I need to get rid of width and height. I'm gonna keep colors just to have like a default colors. But I'm gonna get rid of pixel count as well. Okay, now I have to, when I'm validating pixels, I have to pass in the height and the width. And when I'm getting the index, I have to pass the width. So now handle WS message, I need to have access to this shared global data. And here we have the width and height here. And then back inside our pixel code get index, this is used in several places. We have shared global data here. Oh, main canvas. Oh, it's only used on one more place, which is right here. Do I have access to this? No, I don't, do I? And I have shared global data dot width. I'm getting close, actually. There's only like one more place where I need to handle code. So here. Here's a bit of an issue because I don't have access to shared global data. I only have access to this, the serialized version of it, which I'm not going to obviously deserialize. So I need to store like the without canvas part also in a RW lock. Somehow. Is that the last thing I need to do? No, it's not, because I need to... where do I need to do this? Where's handle delta message, delta receiver, delta receiver. Delta sender in the WebSocket code. Receive this from here. So this is the last place. Yes. Oh, here it is. Yeah, serialized delta. Yeah. Okay. So this is the last place where I have some issues. Now this is not... I shouldn't have just the canvas delta pixel. I should have a like pull response, I guess. This is where I would do the diffing if I was going to do it on the client side. But I could do it on the server side, probably. There's probably just a tool that I don't know about yet that I could use here. Like something that's shared across threads. It's like a message channel, I guess. Except it only has one value. But once everyone's read it, it goes away. So it's a message channel. It's a broadcast channel with a capacity of 1. That's what it is. It's a broadcast channel with a capacity of 1. Okay, I can do that then. So we'll assume that this is the serialized delta is just like we'll pass in the whole S canvas delta to this, which is a poll response. Okay, we'll do this. Let mut full. Oh. We'll do full canvas equals none. I do want to finish this today. MOTD would be delta.data. Is data... Why is data an option? Pull response. When is this constructed? It's some here. It should be an option. God, I'm taking this out of the title. You guys are so cringe. Oh, I was just thinking. Yeah, no, this is fine. Here we are. Yeah, so delta.data.motd, right? Oh, fuck. Okay, first of all, these all need to be public. Second of all, this expected... Okay, so... Dot... Map. Is it dot map? Yes. There we are. Placement cooldown would be delta.data.placement cooldown. Cool. Now everything else becomes a tad more complicated. Because if any property of the full canvas changes, which is the width, the height, the colors, the canvas, or whether it's enabled, I do want to shit. What do I want to do here? It's wait, it's all or nothing. It is all or nothing. In read full canvas. That's restricted. So so delta.data.canvas. If any of this canvas colors, enabled height, or width, there's 5 things here. If any of them are true, or if any of them are some, then I want to initialize full canvas to all of them. But I guess I could do this. Wait, but I can't do... Can't do this, can I? This is unstable. Yeah. So I think I can do match delta.data.canvas, delta.data.width, delta.data.height, delta.data.enabled, delta.data.colors. Oh, look at what that just did to me. Very interesting. Height. Enabled. Colors. So I'll do let full canvas equals this. And we'll pass in the width, the height, enabled, slice wrapper from cooked, colors, canvas, slice wrapper from cooked, canvas. But that's not right, is it? This will almost work, The only thing is that this should be an encoded PNG, not a list of pixels. Similar to how we do it inside serialized canvas here. Part of me, when you wake, you're bargaining for the promise to come. I mean, so this does this PNG encoding, does all this shit. Why don't I just make a new function called function PNG encode canvas, which returns a vec u8, and canvas would be a and slice of u8, I think is how you do it. Then we just extract this bit. I guess we also need the width and height and the colors. I guess we could just pass in shared global data then. Okay, that there works. Something comforting. Oh yeah, we're gonna do right here, let encoded. Oh, we can't. We can't just do this. We have to do with into height dot into colors canvas. Okay, there we go. Bum 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 bum. No, I was in like serialized delta, right? So encoded would be PNG encode canvas. Canvas. Oh, we already have all this shit. Okay, cool. So now on the WebSocket, assuming we get the right pull response, we should have this. This read pixels thing, I don't know if we want to. No, I guess it's fine. I guess this is fine. What's this error from? Oh, we need to pass the shared global. Yeah, we don't have access to the shared global data here. Sort out the AWS verification yet? Nope, they are super slow. Also, their deadline is the Tuesday, and they haven't responded to me about questions about it. It's like the most cringe shit in the world. Let me ping Aiden. Eamon Gaiman. Oh, God, it's so tiring. So I need to add some stuff here. I need to add shared global data without canvas. I need to be able to pass that into here. I need to. Well, this part should work, I think. And then all you have to do is on the RPC server, I have to make this a delta. Because if it's not a delta, it'll update everything every frame. I wish I could just like sleep for an hour and then just be back on stream as if nothing had changed. I'm not turning a YouTube video on for an hour. I would lose 300 viewers. What do I think about animations when you hover over elements? It's fine. I think it looks cool. I don't think it looks good that it pushes the other ones out of the way. I'm almost done though, right? I'm almost done, but the part that I have left to do, I can't figure out how to do it. In a clean way. I basically need to change this to be a delta. But maybe if each thing calculates the delta, like stores, what if each thread stores their own previous value? If each thread stores the previous value of the shared global data, that could work. I have to make self-mutable. Can I do that safely? Let's make an empty. Huh? Oh, this should be partial, I guess. God, fuck. I have now 4 options for working on the Tinder project. I'm gonna have to like interview them, I guess. Fuck. Um. All right, so So if I diff here, I want to return all the things that are different. I want to mutate myself to make everything the same. So I'll import partial shared global data pub function diff. This would return partial shared global data. And it would take at mute self and deref this, accept a shared global data. Okay. Okay, this works so far. So partial shared global data. So let diff equals partial or shared global data empty. Make this mutable. Wait, is this even partial? No, it's not. It shouldn't be partial. It should be this should just be shared global data. No, not lazy static deref. Yeah, there we go. Fixed. Okay, now I just have to calculate this diff. So, if new.width is not equal to self.width, diff.width equals new.width, self.width equals new.width. Okay. Same for height, colors. Oh god, I have to compare the colors. MOTD enabled. God, no, this is gonna happen every 500 milliseconds. All right, I'm gonna do this off stream, chat. I can't handle this right now. I didn't get very much sleep last night. Tomorrow I will likely have more detail about the Mizkif thing and if it's gonna happen. So I'll stream then.